Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this yarn from King Co and it's called Simply Denim Chunky. And I am very sure that this will quickly become a favourite in people's projects. So I'm going to pop that there. I've got a pack of the patterns as well. Now I'm going to take all the yarn out the box. Now this Simply Denim Chunky is a really good balanced blend of 50% anti-pilling acrylic and 50% of a cotton yarn. It also comes in a DK, that's a double knitting yarn. If you're in the USA, double knitting is a weight 3 and chunky is a weight 5. A weight 5 for chunky yarns. Now, this is really hard wearing and it's soft and it comes in all these sort of denim colours. Now, I have done a video of the Simply Denim DK before. Now, I'm going to pop these aside. There are 6 colours in the chunky range. Now, I'm just going to get rid of the paper. Now, this one, they've given me 3 of each. Now, this chunky one is lavender denim. It's called lavender denim. There's 100 grams in each ball. That is 153 yards. It's 140 metres. This is going to be brilliant for in the autumn for making cardigans and sweaters and different tops. I'm sure you could even get away with making some shorts and things because in a lot of the places, the autumn isn't always cold. It can still be warm. The shade number for this is 6141 and that's a lavender denim. 50% anti-pilling acrylic, so it won't bobble so easy as a normal double knitting or chunky yarn. It's got 50% cotton, so it makes it nice and lightweight as well. And great for making cardigans, vests, jumpers, sweaters, lots of things. You make skirts for girls, trousers for boys. You make lots of different items. You can make skirts and dresses and trousers. Lots of different things for boys and girls, for men and for women. It tells you can wash it in a 30-degree wash. Don't iron it. Don't iron wool or any, even acrylic yarn, because it makes it go really flat. Hang it over a radiator to dry or outside. It tells you to use, for this chunky, to use a 6mm knitting needle or crochet hook. That's a USA 10 and it's pretty. It's soft. It is really soft and squishy. I haven't got a King Co yarn yet that I didn't like. Now this one again, it is lavender denim. Now this one is soft and squishy as well. Now look at the blend of colour. It's got like white in your lavender and this one is white and black. It's twisted in a way that's not going to split when you crochet it. If I hold that up and if you can see the way that that's spun in that wonderful way, so that when you knit or crochet it's not going to split. Even when you twist it the wrong way, it looks like a chain. It's like it's just all made like a chain, one solid little piece. It's really nice. That's going to be great to crochet and knit with. The double knitting is wonderful. Now this one is called charcoal denim. These colours are also available in the double knitting because I remember that. I won't go through the 50% thing and the yardage. It's 153 yards or 140 metres. This one is charcoal denim. The number is 6140. Now I'll pop them off to the side and we'll get the next packet. Oh, look at that pink. That is beautiful. Pull that out. Pretend it's Christmas. There we go. Now look at this one and this one together. This one is emerald green. But look at it with that sort of black and white. It's so pretty. Even with this pink. Look at it actually with that pink. Now this is emerald denim. The shade is 6143. Nice and soft and squidgy. And this one is blush denim. And again, it's got the white through it with the colour. The shade number is 6142. You can see all these shades on King Cole's website. And there is a button that you press and it'll tell you where there is a stockist of King Cole yarn close to your home. It'll tell you where the closest person or shop or website. There's lots of websites as well that sell King Cole yarn. But it'll tell you the closest stockist to your house. That is a beautiful one, that pink. Now we'll just pull this over, pretend it's Christmas. And open this. Oh, look at that blue. That is so pretty, that blue. Oh, look at that. That is going to make... This would be brilliant for making sweaters and cardigans. Lots of other things as well. Don't just stop at sweaters and cardigans. Try trousers and skirts and dresses. And you can get home decor as well. King Cole have got thousands and thousands of patterns. You just type in if you want it knitting or crochet and you can put in home and it'll tell you some of the patterns where they're doing, where you can get cushions and rugs and blankets and things and throws. Now these would make beautiful throws. Now this is vintage denim. The shade number is 6145. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful shade. It's much lighter than this charcoal one. Look at that. That is so pretty. Do you know, if you made a sweater, you could put the cuffs this colour and the collar, maybe pockets, and then do the body in this one. Or you could even do half a sleeve in the light colour and half a sleeve in the dark colour. You can mix and match any garments that you make. So versatile and it's soft. I say that every time. It's soft and squidgy. Oh, it smells nice. It's quite a sort of... Some yarns have got a stronger smell on them than others, but this one doesn't smell of anything. It smells just freshness. That's what it smells like. Does anybody know what freshness smells like? That's what it smells like, freshness. And that one is the vintage denim. And again, the number is 6145. Now, we'll pop those there. And we've got, that one goes over there with that one. And we've got this, a beautiful shade of blue. Look at those blues and pinks. Even with that light grey. Look at that. Now look at that, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Or even that way, where's that darker one? Look at that with that blue. That is really pretty. I'll put that one back there. Stop playing around with it, Alison. Now this one is sky denim. The shade number is 6144. And it is beautiful, like I said, and it's Simply Denim Chunky. And there is a Simply Denim DK available for this. So we'll go on to the patterns and see what patterns are available to use. Now you can use other King Cole Chunky patterns. It doesn't have to be specifically these patterns, but it shows you what this denim yarn is like, made up. Let's just put this open. And we'll go through these. Now, some of the patterns are very similar to the double knitting patterns. You've got a cardigan, a jumper, and a hoodie on this one. So you've got 3 items on that one pattern. And the number for this is 6374. And it tells you in the sizes, it does 24 to 44 inch. That's how high it goes up. It goes up to 24 to 44. That's quite a large size. The pattern tells you how many balls that you need for these items. And there's a whole load of sizes here that are available as well. Tells you how many buttons you're going to need and other little notes. And these are the items you can make with these. That is pretty. I like the hoodie. And you've got this one. There's a man's cardigan and a different lady's cardigan. Is that a different cardigan? Yep, I think so. This one doesn't have pockets, the other one does. The other one, the buttons go right the way down, and there's a little vest, a top as well. And the number for that one is 6375. 6375. And there is this sweater. This is a knitting. Those other ones are knitting as well, by the way. Usually King Cole's patterns, I'll tell you, if it's crochet, it'll say that it's crochet. So these ones are easy knit, so that means it's going to be really easy to work, easy to make this nice side open sweater. And there is, oh, on the back, there is a vest. Is there any on the back? No, it's just instructions on that one. So on the back of this one, there is a vest top. That is really pretty. I've always found with King Cole patterns, you either get 2 patterns or you get 3 or more on the one. Now this one is a really nice round neck sweater, and there, oh, that's pretty. You've got this really nice vest, button up, sleeveless cardigan almost. I like that. That is so pretty. So the number for this one is 6377. I told you that one. That one is 6376. This one is 6377. So the pattern on this one is a cable. This is a cable sweater. Now on the other side, there is this really big and baggy top. Really fashionable as well. It goes really nice with a white shirt. Look at that. That is so nice. And the number for this is 6378. And you get those 2 patterns. That's 6378 by King Cole. And oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. That's a V-neck sweater. Really easy to make. The number for this one is 6379. And on the other side, it's this really nice vest top. That is pretty. It's got a V-neck again. Really easy. That looks so easy to make. Sure, you can make something very similar doing crochet as well. Do some big squares and then stop here, and then you can crochet across and bring it in, make a V, or even just do it as a slash neck. Just do 2 big panels. Do it as a slash neck and then join it down the sides, and the hole, you can put a little rib around the hole as well. So you can sort of get a little guide on crochet, but there is crochet patterns available. Lots of different chunky crochet patterns available as well. So a big thank you to King Cole as well. And thank you all very much for watching and for following the channel. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free to subscribe. If you click on the subscribe button, it'll just give you 2 other little steps, and it'll tell you how that you can subscribe to the channel completely free. You can support the channel by clicking on the join button as well. You can leave a comment if you like. I do read them. I don't always respond to every single one of them, but I do read them. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.